disk space. If Windows 10 device is running low of disk space, it can also impact the performance of your PC. Here are a few ways to free up that drive space. Start typing storage settings in the search box and click on storage settings, system settings. Turn on storage sense here to have Windows delete unnecessary files automatically. To delete manually, click on this link which says configure storage sense or run it now. Scroll down to a section which says free up space now and click on this button which says clean now. You can also free up some space by removing cloud-backed content by selecting an option from this drop-down, say 30 days. Next, open up Apps and Features System Settings by searching Apps and Features in the search box and clicking on this setting. Sort them by size here to see which of these apps are taking up the most disk space. Find the app that you can potentially delete and then click on it and click uninstall. If you need to free up more disk space, you can also clean up some system files. Type disk cleanup in the search box and click on disk cleanup app. Pick the drive you want to clean up from this drop down and click OK. In this pop-up which says disk cleanup for Windows, click cleanup system file. Click OK one more time, and here you can see the disk is cleaning up the system files that it can clean up. If you ever feel frustrated that your hard disk space gets filled up very quickly, I want to give you some perspective. This is an image of a 1 GB hard drive 20 years ago from IBM. When hard drives became available for personal computers, they offered only 5 MB of capacity. During mid-1990s, the typical hard drive disk space for a PC was about 1 GB. Nowadays, the typical hard disk space is 1 to 6 terabytes, with largest capacity being 20 terabytes. And if you like to watch more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.